Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. My name is Julia, and today I will show you guys how you can get 20,000 free TikTok followers instantly and easily. What cool about this method is that you will get organic TikTok followers, no bots. In other words, those followers will engage with your content whatever it is. Amazing, isn't it? So let's get started in our tutorial now. But before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. Let's dive in now. So the first thing that you will need to do in order to get your 20,000 free TikTok followers is that you will need to access this link right here. You will find it in the first comment, by the way, or you can just pause the video and write it directly. After that you will be redirected to this page. As you can see with me here, get 20,000 free TikTok followers. Here a little introduction about those who are giving the free TikTok followers. And right here you can see that this package of 20,000 free TikTok followers actually costs $125. It's a little bit expensive because it's the premium package, and you are going to get it today for free. Alright, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here we will find this field in which you will need to enter our TikTok account username. I'm going to enter mine. Just make sure that it's the correct username. You know, we don't want 20,000 TikTok followers to be lost on nothing. And then click here on confirm. Alright, so after clicking on confirm, you will get this pop-up saying that this is the last step, as you can see with me here. In order to complete this last step, you will need to finish 2 offers from this list. Just choose any offer, click it, finish it as they say in the title, go back to this pop-up, choose another offer, click it, finish it as they say in the title, and then you can check your TikTok account, where you will find that you really got your 20,000 free TikTok followers. I'm just gonna access this tab. As you can see with me here, this is my TikTok account, and I really got 22,000 followers in TikTok. Before performing this method I had like 52 followers, and now you see, 22,000, amazing. Let's go back to this page now. I'm going to explain to you a little bit about those offers, guys. For example, this offer here, download and run Opera GX. In order to finish it, you will just need to click it, download Opera GX, install it, run it, and you are done, easy as that. Another example here, answer some survey to win a $250 GameStop gift card now. In order to finish it, you will just need to click it, enter your email address, answer a couple of questions, and you are done with it, so easy. Also here, enter your email to win a $500 Target gift card now. In order to finish it, you will just need to click it, enter your email address, answer a couple of questions, and you are done with this one too. Last but not least, I want you to know that depends on your device and location, you might get different offers from those ones here. For example, if you are on a mobile phone, you might get some offers like, download, install, and run a mobile app, or download, install, and register in a mobile app. But at the end, the method of work is just like I explained. Choose 2 offers, finish them, and check your TikTok account where you will find that you got your 20,000 free TikTok followers. So, this is the end of this video everyone. Enjoy your 20,000 free TikTok followers.